Okay, so in the world. Yeah, what's up, guys?
Wow.
P-I-V-A-N.
Enchanted? I want to be enchanted.
Yeah, right, Sherry's.
I sound like there's a team.
The world generator would be poop.
No.
So, yeah, it's gonna be a survival series. Let's go.
Oh.
So I should probably introduce the video. Well, Miles is killing people on a server. Maybe I plan on server and kill people too. Yeah, but this is gonna be Survival Series episode 1. By the way, I've never used to see poop. So, yeah.
Oh.
We'll have to find out.
Now we're going to find out.
We're spawning in the jungle biome. I'm gonna have to do this out of full screen because in full screen it gets laggy, even though I kind of topped it. Okay, so we got sheep. That's good. I like sheep, especially when they give you beds. Clay. I know clay could be up here. We're gonna be making a brick house. Maybe. Probably not. Lag.
How's the water boss?
I will need 6, maybe not,
You missed.
pieces of wool.
Missed.
I should probably make a sword, but I'm not right now. I'm not playing on server. This is regular survival, not even realms. Maybe I'll play some realms. Die, sheep! Well, right now I'm gonna get 6. I finished everything. Okay. And hey, MRT Production Force joined. So we can have some fun. This is not gonna be a cheated survival series at all.
Finding you?
Don't worry, you're close by. I should probably get some wood too. Miles, get some wood.
I'm game with you.
Okay?
And I'm near the jungle biome.
Yeah, I know. You spawning something. How am I out of food already? It's not hard. It's so easy. How? I'm already out of sprint. Maybe it'll be okay to cheat food, but I'm not. You'll get food legit. And have to keep this around 10-15 minutes. Okay. Miles, where are you? Are you getting wood?
I'm trying to keep eating.
Oh. This is gonna be a legit survival series. There'll be no TP. Okay. I see your name tag. I'm coming. I'm coming. Miles, keep getting wood though, because we need wood.
And jungle wood.
Ah, leg. Okay. And then seeds. Good. Let's
So
get
then you
some
can
wood.
make bread.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I am a door event. I'm there again. I'm a big deal. I did it again.
in this episode, we'll try and build a house. And go mining. Hopefully. Yeah, we're gonna get some stuff. I'm not making 13 buttons. I did that once. Except it wasn't 13, it was...
I got 16.
Yeah, it was bad. 8 sticks.
I think this should be like,
Hmm?
I think this should be like where our house should be.
Mom, you can't craft like that. Oops. I just looked at the screen and saw him putting 2 regular logs.
One for a button. Does anybody
Why'd you get a... Did you make a button?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I don't know.
I guess that'll be a doorbell for our house.
It's wooden button.
Huh?
It's a wooden button.
Oh. I think I got enough cobblestone.
I want to hop in the shower.
And, oh,
Like here.
let's see. Pickaxe. And axe.
No, why's that light on?
I don't know.
Turn it off. It's daytime. I know you can see.
Was the jungle volume bad for you?
What?
Is the jungle volume bad for you?
Well, it is and isn't. It has a ton of wood, and it makes you lag a lot.
Well, not for me. Kind of does
That's
it.
because you're not recording. Why are you showing me wood pants?
What pictures? This fellow is gonna do something.
It's probably a mod that lets you do that. It's probably
I can't
awesome.
even make a wood helmet. Cause I did leather.
Anyway.
Anyway. I need to make this a stone pickaxe.
Okay. I think this is good
I hear a
enough.
zombie.
There was either spawner or something else. But,
I think it's a spawn.
or a cave.
Yeah, cave.
Cobblestone. And then
Me too.
I will start building us a base.
Like a sky base.
I got a stack, like a stack and a half. Maybe that'll be good enough.
Did you hear the zombie I was talking about?
I hear the zombie.
Come closer. Over
Okay.
here.
Anyway, I'm almost there.
Come here. You'll hear a zombie.
Did you see the zombie?
No. I can really hear it.
Oh, I hear it too. Alright, now I have a stack and a half and more. Why not 2 stacks? That'll be good. Actually, we should make a sky base. That's what we'll do. A sky base. Because sky bases are cool.
Yes. Great plan. Wait a minute. Okay, I've only 61 cobblestone.
And
63. 64 now.
I got 2 stacks and 3 more, I think. 2, whatever. Let's go to the top of this mountain and do. I'm starving.
Got some.
Like another 2 stone pickaxes.
Got 2 pickaxes, one that's wood made out of wood.
And yeah, that'll be it. Alright, climbing this mountain. Don't need that anymore. And break this. How much did I run? 6. It's like 7 blocks.
It's like 7 blocks away.
Boom. Okay. Now
You need a pick again.
we will make our sky base. Somewhere near trees. So it's gonna be near the jungle biome. Maybe right here. Yeah, this will be fine.
And that's enough.
Actually, no, right here. No, right here. No, right here. Right here? No, right here. Okay.
We'll
Oh,
have 2
good.
chests. One for you and one for me. Like the one that's in.
I'll make ladders.
Good idea. I don't know. Well, something. Something. At least I have a stone sword to kill all the mobs.
Oh, that's what I forgot to make a stone sword. I remember my first house. I played Minecraft Pocket Edition. And my first house was in a cave.
Yeah.
It was weird. My house. What the? I just did it twice. A little bit wider.
Then we'll poke a hole and then we have
Make
little skulls.
ladders. But I'm probably gonna need more wood than this. Use the last of my wood to. Oh, we should probably make beds. Looks like MIT is fighting mobs.
This is the stone sword. Dang it, these are good.
And I think this is where we'll end off this video. I'm going to mess recording these because why not? Okay, thank you all for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I probably talked very low in this, but next recording I'll talk louder. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.
And